The BeautURAL steamer has been a game changer in my daily routine, simplifying the task of keeping my clothes wrinkle-free and looking sharp. This compact yet powerful steamer comes with a host of convenient features that make it stand out from the competition. One of the standout features of this steamer is its detachable 8.79-ounce water tank. This generous capacity allows for extended steaming sessions without the need for constant refills. It's easy to remove and fill, making the whole process hassle-free. I found that the water tank provided enough steam to handle multiple garments at once, saving me valuable time during my morning rush. A major concern with many steamers is leakage, but with the BeautURAL steamer, this is not an issue. The design is well thought out, ensuring that no water leaks during use. This not only prevents potential damage to clothes but also adds to the overall ease of use. The 1200 watts of power packed into this steamer provides quick and efficient heating, allowing me to start steaming within 30 seconds of turning it on. This rapid heat-up time is perfect for those busy mornings when I'm pressed for time. The steam output is consistent, and I have noticed a significant reduction in wrinkles and creases even on stubborn fabrics. The 3 additional attachments, lint brush, soft brush, and creaser, take this steamer to the next level. The lint brush effectively removes lint, hair, and other small debris from garments, keeping them looking fresh and clean. The soft brush is gentle on delicate fabrics, making it ideal for steaming silk and chiffon. And the creaser attachment is a game changer for creating sharp creases on pants and shirts. The steamer's design is ergonomic, with a comfortable grip and lightweight construction, making it easy to handle for extended periods. The 9-foot power cord gives me plenty of flexibility and allows me to move around without constantly searching for a nearby power outlet. The overall build quality is impressive, with durable materials that ensure longevity. I have been using the BeautURAL steamer regularly for several months, and it's still as reliable and efficient as the day I purchased it.